Good morning, guys. Rome Dumpster Rentals here again, and today we are headed to McGaheysville, Virginia. We're going to be dropping off a 15-yard dumpster for our client who is doing a house reno and cleaning up around their home for spring cleanup. So we're going to take you guys along with us today, show you the entire drop-off here in the Rockingham County, Virginia area. And just pull up and get over a little bit more. All right, head on out there. All right, come on down. All right, hold on out. All right, come on down. All righty. Pull on out. There you go. All right, so now we're out here in Harrisonburg, Virginia, and we are picking up another dumpster. We had a successful dumpster drop in McGaheysville, and this customer was dropping off a sign or dumping a sign in our bin, so now we're going to pick it up. Pal finger hook system works super easy. Just guide it in to your hook. And voila. As we're guiding in, we're just going to watch it and make sure the rails land on our wheels right here. Once they are lined up, we'll come in with this hook system right here. And it'll lock in on our dumpster, fully secure. You can see as it hooks in right here, we're set to go. She's locked in, ready to roll. This one doesn't need to be tarped, it's metal. So, Rome Dumpster Rentals here in Harrisonburg, Virginia.